Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really quick unboxing to share with you. I'm going to try and upload this video before Christmas or on Christmas Day. So if you do celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you and your family. I hope you have an amazing time. And I'm so sorry I skipped last week's video. We had crazy storm here in Sydney for the last couple of weeks and my house lost power for 3 whole days. So I had no power on my normal filming day, and because I work full time, I've only got 1 or 2 days during the week that I have an opportunity to film. So I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to upload last week's video, but I'm really excited because I have about 10 days off, which is rare for me unless I'm going away on a holiday during this Christmas and New Year period. So I will have lots of time to film. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm hoping to be able to upload more videos during January for you guys. So that's where I've been and what I've been up to. But let's get into the unboxing. So I have picked up something from this place again. So I've picked something up from Chanel. To be really honest, I wasn't in a huge rush to get this item, especially after buying a few things from Chanel lately. I really didn't plan on getting this soon, but I got done over by the Christmas packaging. So I watched Jerusha's video. Hi Jerusha, if you are watching, I have been loving your videos and I've been loving all your items that you've been adding. I found out from her video that Australia has finally caught up and we are getting Christmas packaging from Chanel. So when I found that out, I was thinking if there's an item that I was gonna add anyway, I'm gonna go in and check them out, and if I like them, I should just pick them up now because I would love to have some of these Christmas festive camellias. So I went into the city and actually asked the lady first of all if they had this item in stock, and then second of all I asked her, do you guys have the Christmas packaging? She probably thought I was crazy because I mean, who just goes and buys something just so that they can get the packaging? But nevertheless, I did ask the lady and she said yes, we do have the Christmas ribbon and the camellia. So I said I was gonna buy this sooner or later, so let me just do it so I can get the pretty packaging. So that's my little backstory on why I ended up picking it up at this point in time. But just look at how beautiful this camellia is. Jerusha described this camellia as the Terminator camellia, which I completely agree with. So it's plasticky, so it's nice and hard, and it's got the pale gold. I'm sure you've seen this camellia everywhere by now. So let me just get in, and I'm loving the gorgeous ribbon as well, the festive ribbon with the runny Chanel writing with the pale gold again. So I really love that as well. And let me take the box out of the bag. So my new item is in this box. So the sales associate put my proof of purchase in there as well. So there it is. Now let's just appreciate how beautiful this packaging is. So I'm just gonna have a quick look before I undo this. The good thing about doing YouTube is that I document all my purchases. So sometimes it's just really fun to go back and see what the item looked like before I unwrapped it. Anyway, so that is the box. I'll just quickly get into the box. So the ribbon. Let me undo the ribbon. So here is the box. If you can tell from the box, it is a pair of shoes again. Opening up the box. So we've got the key instructions in here. So they're just some key instructions. And Chanel shoes always come with 2 separate dust bags. So we've got 1, 2, and I love how they give you 2 separate dust bags so you can put each shoe in each dust bag. And that gorgeous Chanel paper, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's got the Chanel sort of all throughout the paper. Very subtle, but very pretty. And to show you guys what I picked up, I picked up these slingbacks in the classic beige and black cap toe. Here they are. Let me just take these tissue papers out so they look a bit prettier. So they're what I picked up last week. I picked up the size 37, so they do run a little bit large to size. and I normally wear a 38 in their spadrilles, and then the mules that I recently got, I got them in the size 37.5. So they do run slightly large, so I would actually size down one size completely. I'm sure you guys are already really familiar with these shoes because they have been popular for quite a number of years now. And I know what I've said about these in the past. I know that I have said that they look like grandma's shoes, and I still do kind of think that they look a little bit more mature, but they've just recently really been on my radar because I did actually try them on when I was purchasing my mules, and although I didn't really love them at the time, when I tried them on, they did make my feet look really nice and narrow and feminine. And apparently that was a big thing for Coco Chanel, and that's why a lot of Chanel shoes, when you put them on, they just flatter your feet so much, because that's what Coco Chanel wanted, to have her shoes look really pretty on the feet. So yeah, I do take back whatever I said about these slingbacks, and I'm sure if you are into luxury or fashion, you have done this before where you swore you're never gonna get the item before, but you end up getting them after being conditioned to them. And the other thing that I really love about these shoes is that they are 5cm heel, and they are the block heels, so they are actually really comfortable. Although I do think that the mules are still really comfortable, because the heels are thin and they're a little bit higher, I do need to be a little bit careful, especially if I'm walking around the city or anywhere outdoors really, because the thin heels can really get scuffed quite easily. So I did want a pair that's easy to dress up or down and are quite comfortable to walk around, and I wanted a carefree pair that I didn't really need to worry about when I'm walking about. So that is the reason I picked them up. The one thing that held me back for a little while is that because they have been so popular for so long now, I was thinking, is this a dying trend, or are they here to stay, and are they the new classics? But after really thinking about them for a little while, I've decided they are actually quite a simple shoe. So I really don't think it is a trend piece anymore. They have become quite classic in my opinion. So I do see myself wearing these for years to come. And I thought, you know what, for that, it's a good investment because I know that I am going to be able to wear them for a long time. And the other thing that I really love about this pair now is how understated they are. So when I first started getting into the luxury items, I kind of really liked their loud pieces that are classic and really recognizable. But recently I'm finding myself really preferring the understated items. So I do still like logo pieces, but I do like mixing and matching the loud pieces with the really subtle pieces so that I don't have so many logos going everywhere. The only thing that it has is this little tiny CC on the side of the heel there. And I do think that they are still quite subtle. So yeah, I am really loving anything that's understated. So if someone's not into luxury, they're not going to be able to recognize these instantly when I'm wearing them. So that was my quick unboxing. I love to know what you think about these shoes. Do you think that they are going to go out of fashion? Do you think that they're classics? I'd love to know what you think. So do let me know in the comments below. I love having conversations with you guys in the comments because you guys just get me and you get the excitement. So I love having good chats with you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys. You might be the one taking me home. One thing really do